If you sit for long hours and you're feeling back pain, knee pain, and low energy, that's a sign your glutes are weak. I posted this short and I know a lot of you are thinking, does this actually work without weights? Once you understand how these moves target your glutes, you'll never skip them again. Let's get into it. Our glutes have 3 muscles. The kickback helps to hit the one muscle most people ignore. That is the glute maximus. And here's where people get it wrong. They kick with their leg, letting their lower back do all the work. That's a back strain waiting to happen. So here's what you do. Hold the chair, tuck your core just a little, then push your heels back like you're pushing a wall behind you. Gently squeeze at the top, hold a second, that's where the muscle actually grows. 10 reps each side and you'll feel the difference. So here is the side lunge. Most glutes workout go forward and backwards, but the side lunge works on your side glutes, the one that makes it rounded. It's called the glute medius. So that's what gives you the shape, the round shape. And it is also the muscle that protects your hips and knees. So it's not about aesthetics. This is not about looks. It's about staying pain-free. So feet wide apart, sit into one hip, keep the other leg straight. You should feel a stretch and a squeeze at the same time. If you feel nothing, you have not gone wide enough. Go wider, sit low. Now feel it. You can do this 12 reps each leg. If this is helpful, I post videos like this every week. No equipment, no gym, no excuses. Just hit the subscribe button and you won't miss a thing. Let's get back to it. The Romanian deadlift, popularly called the RDL, is my favorite move and it might be the most important move on this list. Here is why. Your glutes are at their strongest when they are stretched out. So the RDL is a hip hinge movement where you bend from your hips and push it backwards like you're about to hit the wall with your glutes. So keep your back flat, stop bending the knees, eyes looking forward, chest out. You feel a stretch in your hamstring, but it's just your glutes working hard to control that movement. As you come up, squeeze your glutes, hold it, repeat. 10 reps, make sure it's slow and controlled. The reverse lunge, last but not least, not forward, but reverse lunge. Why does it matter? Because when you step back, your front glute carries almost all the load. A forward lunge plays the work between the glutes and the quads. The quads are the muscles on your front leg. So a reverse lunge, mostly glutes, and that's what we want. So stand tall, step one foot back, lower your back knee toward the floor. Front knee stays over the ankle, not past your toes. Press through your front heel to stand back up. That pressing motion, that's the gold. It's pure glute activation. So do 10 reps each leg. And here's the cheat code. Squeeze at the top. Every single rep, don't rush it. The squeeze is where the muscle gets the signal to grow. 4 moves, 3 sets each, 2 or 3 times a week. Rest 30 seconds between moves. That's it. 20 minutes, no gym, no weights. And if you do this consistently for 4 weeks, you'll feel the difference. Not just in how you look, in how you move. Less back pain, stronger legs, more energy. Because strong glutes changes everything. These 4 moves are simple, but simple works. Save this video so you can come back to it. Drop a comment below. Tell me which move you felt the most. I read every single one. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do it now. I post every week, workouts, tips, everything to keep you moving. See you Thursday. Be actively engaged. Don't forget, you've got this. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos from me.